Okay, my son, now this is your first lesson in chemistry, so I would like you to pay attention to this because I'll be teaching you this every other day, so hopefully you will do well in your secondary education like your brothers and sisters. And now in this chemistry channel I'll be teaching you about formula, equations and amounts of substance, the foundations of chemistry, formula and equations, how big and heavy are atoms, the mole, using moles, and also let me just quickly to remember something, calculating formula using moles, measuring concentration, more ways to calculate equations, yields and atom economy, and also then we'll move to energy and energetics, measuring energy changes like enthalpy change, heat capacities and calorimeters, important enthalpy changes, working with enthalpy changes of reaction, bond enthalpies and mean bond enthalpies, using bond enthalpies. And then we move to atomic structure and the periodic table, measuring the mass of an atom using data from a mass spectrometer, the arrangement of electrons in atoms. Then we talk about filling orbitals and shells, representing electrons and orbitals, then electronic configuration and chemical properties, and the blocks of the periodic table and patterns in the periodic table. So now the reason I'm showing you these lovely pebbles is that, as you can see, they have different sizes. This one is about sort of 5 centimeter, and this one is about 3 centimeter, and this one is about 2 centimeter. And atoms have different weights. They weigh different from others, different sizes, and they have different properties and different color. And the way we will go about it is that we'll give you examples of how we, for example, count atoms. We have to weigh them, but of course we have to know the weight of each one of them. Anyway, those chapters that I told you about, Ayub, so please, my lovely son, prepare yourself, find the definitions, and in the next few days I'll discuss them with you, and I'll discuss why these materials exist, and why these chapters in the chemistry book exist, and why all these different points and issues are raised in the chemistry books. And bye for now, and make sure that you memorize the definitions, because if you don't know the definitions, you're gonna find it very hard really to understand what I'm talking about. Bye for now.